Today we are going to learn how you can watermark all of your videos with Zapier. All right, let's get started. Click on Create button here once you're logged in into your Zap account. Once that's done, click on Trigger. We are going to use the email trigger here just for simplicity. We're gonna use new inbound email, continue, and then we say Watermark. Okay, that's fine. Test trigger, and I think we have to skip and test again, and it looks good. There you go. Perfect. Continue. Now on the next action bit, we have to search for Eranol. Click. Here you have to do two things. First, you have to connect your account and then select an action. So in order to connect your account, you just go to eranol.com, log in with your Google or GitHub or email address, go on API keys, click create secret key, say Zap, click on create key. Once you have created key, copy it from here, go back to your Zapier, click on connect your account. It will open this model window, paste your key here, yes, continue to Eranol, and that will automatically verify your API and then connect your account. Perfect. Once that's done, click on action, and then we search add watermark to video, then click continue. Now here you have to provide two things, either from your previous nodes or you can provide it directly. So for simplicity, what I've done is I've got this video, which is a MP4 file. It's a 16-second long video. It doesn't have any watermark, as you can see here, and I can also play it. It's playing, right? So you're gonna use this video, and then we're gonna use this Eranol logo as a watermark on top of this video as a example. Okay, so we copy this URL, go back, put it here, the video URL. For the watermark URL, we're gonna go and copy this image, and then in the position we say top right. That's good. Scale we say 1. Opacity, don't think so we have to provide anything, but let's say 1 would be good, I guess. And then click on continue, and then what it will do is when you click on the test tab is create a job for you on the Eranol server. There you go. The job is created with the job ID and the status pending. After that, you have to click plus and then search for delay, because in production, whatever videos you're sending, it must be bigger. So you have to put a delay here. This video is small, but let's say 1 minute should be okay. Continue, test tab, and there you go, we're done. After this, you can click add step again and search for Eranol. And then now in the action, you will search for status. Once you search for status, you click on continue. Here you have to provide the job ID, which we will get from the previous node where we have added the watermark to video, right? So we press on the keyboard backslash and then go add watermark video to Eranol. And then here you can see that there is a job ID here. We select that and then click continue. Once we select the continue, click on the test step. What it's going to do is it's going to send a request to Eranol and ask what is the status of the job, and then you can see the status is completed. Perfect. As the status is completed, we can see the results as available here. So we're going to copy the result, open another tab, paste it, and here we go. We have a watermark on the video here. Now obviously I have chosen the full scale, that's why it's literally in the center, but you can always select smaller scale and put it on the right top here. So this is how you watermark your videos on automation with Zapier.